Since the inception of ChatGPT, the AI chatbot arena has witnessed a surge of chatbot contenders trying to overtake OpenAI's creation. Among these, Claude 3 is a standout competitor with its unique capabilities. Both of these platforms operate as language engines, diverging from conventional search engines like Google. So rather than simply retrieving information, they sift through vast troves of data to offer precise, targeted responses. Yet, despite a shared purpose, Claude 3 boasts distinctive features not found in ChatGPT. This begs the inevitable question: which AI chatbot is better? In this video, we compare the capabilities of ChatGPT and Claude 3, uncovering their strengths to determine the better chatbot. But before we get started, make sure to like the video and click the subscribe button to stay up to date with our latest AI videos. Alright, we all have heard of and know what ChatGPT is by now. But what exactly is Claude 3? Claude 3 marks the latest iteration in the Claude series, representing a cutting-edge advancement in AI technology. Marketed as a foundational model, boasting advanced capabilities in reasoning, visual analysis, code generation, and multilingual processing. Claude was created by the startup company Anthropic in March 2023, emerging as a direct contender against ChatGPT. Notably, Anthropic's creation stemmed from senior members of OpenAI, who decided to leave the company due to differences regarding its collaboration with Microsoft. Introduced to the public in March 2024, Claude 3 aims to surpass its predecessors and potentially replace ChatGPT altogether. Fundamentally, Claude shares many functionalities with ChatGPT, ranging from answering queries to generating code, composing poetry, simplifying complex concepts, providing step-by-step instructions, performing mathematical computations, and engaging in word games. Additionally, Claude inherits some of ChatGPT's advanced features, such as image processing, handwriting-to-text conversion, and audio transcription. As Claude's official website says, "If you can dream it, Claude can help you do it." To ensure utmost safety and accuracy, Claude has been trained using constitutional AI. Users can access the free version, Claude 3 Sonnet, after creating an account. Sonnet ranks as the second most intelligent AI model in Claude's lineup. The most advanced model, Claude 3 Opus, is accessible through the Claude Pro Plan subscription. Furthermore, there's Claude 3 Haiku, which is considered less intelligent than both Sonnet and Opus. Despite both ChatGPT and Claude being two prominent AI models renowned for their versatility and utility across various tasks, each platform still boasts a distinct array of features with its own strengths and areas for improvement. Comparing the capabilities of each AI chatbot will provide more insight into which is the better chatbot. Beginning with mathematical problem solving, both ChatGPT and Claude demonstrate proficiency in basic arithmetic operations. However, Claude 3 Opus stands out by delivering superior accuracy compared to GPT-4 in this domain. Moreover, Claude models, including the free versions, consistently outperform GPT 3.5, showcasing their competence in handling mathematical queries. Multilingual math capabilities further underscore Claude's superiority, with Opus exhibiting exceptional performance compared to GPT 3.5, which lacks this functionality. The ability to solve mathematical problems across multiple languages enhances Claude's appeal and usability for a global audience. In grade school math benchmarks, Claude 3 scores marginally lower than GPT-4 Turbo, yet it still maintains a competitive edge in mathematical proficiency. Claude's zero-shot testing methodology enables it to generalize and transfer knowledge effectively, enabling seamless adaptation to diverse contexts. In contrast, GPT relies on example prompts for learning, potentially limiting its adaptability in novel scenarios. The higher input token limits offered by Claude facilitate more extensive data processing, making it better suited for handling large-scale datasets compared to GPT. This expanded capacity enhances Claude's utility in applications requiring extensive computational resources. Furthermore, Claude 3 models exhibit varying response generation speeds tailored to the complexity of tasks at hand. This versatility ensures optimal performance across a spectrum of tasks, catering to diverse user needs and preferences. Although both platforms support handwriting-to-text conversion, GPT-4 demonstrates superior performance, especially with illegible handwriting. This capability enhances user experience and efficiency when transcribing handwritten content. Additionally, Claude 3 Sonnet features built-in image processing capabilities, albeit with slightly lower accuracy than GPT-4. However, Claude models currently lack image generation capabilities available in GPT-4v, limiting their utility for tasks requiring visual content creation. Currently, Claude does not offer a dedicated app, unlike ChatGPT, which provides convenient access through its app interface. Having an app simplifies on-the-go usage, and facilitates quick access to the tool's features. Regarding language availability, ChatGPT offers a more extensive range of languages compared to Claude. ChatGPT supports input and output in over 95 languages worldwide, while Claude 3's training is currently limited to English, Japanese, Spanish, and French. There is a daily messaging limit imposed on Claude users, allowing for a maximum of 10 messages or questions within a 5-hour time frame. Once this limit is reached, users must wait for the time frame to expire for their limit to reset. In contrast, ChatGPT, including the free version of GPT, does not impose any messaging limits, allowing users to send an unlimited number of messages throughout the day. In conclusion, while both ChatGPT and Claude offer robust functionalities, Claude's superior mathematical accuracy, multilingual capabilities, and adaptability through zero-shot testing distinguish it as a formidable competitor in the AI landscape. When looking at the range of ways tools like Claude 3 and ChatGPT have their benefits, there is a wide range of individuals and industries that can be utilized effectively. In research and academia, while they may not always generate accurate facts, these chatbots excel in analyzing research papers, summarizing key points, and generating instructed data. They also facilitate collaborative writing and editing processes. In the business sector, Claude and GPT streamline repetitive tasks, allowing employees to focus on areas requiring human involvement. They can analyze data, detect patterns, generate insights, provide solutions, and address common customer queries. In education, these tools serve as personal learning assistants for both students and teachers. They can write essays, find references, provide examples for better understanding, and simplify complex concepts to enhance learning efficiency. For personal productivity, AI models simplify daily tasks, such as drafting emails, finding recipes, planning schedules, keeping memos, and seeking advice on various topics. Overall, anyone can benefit from the capabilities of Claude 3 and ChatGPT, from simplifying mundane tasks to enhancing productivity and efficiency in various aspects of life and work. In today's world, artificial intelligence plays a crucial role in simplifying tasks and saving time, allowing individuals to focus on more meaningful endeavors. Falling behind in utilizing available technologies can lead to significant disadvantages. Hence, exploring additional AI tools akin to ChatGPT and Claude 3 also becomes essential. A platform like AI Top Tools serves as a valuable resource in this pursuit. It offers an extensive directory containing over 10,000 AI tools, easily accessible through a simple search. Users can navigate through various categories based on functions and refine their search according to budget constraints. Detailed information, including ratings, user reviews, and alternative options, assists users in making informed decisions about selecting the most suitable tool for their needs. In conclusion, determining the superior tool between Claude 3 and ChatGPT presents a challenge as each excels in different aspects. The definitive answer lies in identifying the specific requirements for which the tool is needed. For tasks involving extensive data processing within a business context, Claude 3 emerges as the preferred choice due to its capability to handle large datasets effectively. Conversely, when the need arises for image generation tasks, ChatGPT proves to be the more suitable option. Therefore, the selection between the two depends entirely on the nature of the task at hand and the functionalities essential for accomplishing it effectively. If you want more AI content like this, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. And remember, your feedback is invaluable to us, so leave a comment below with your thoughts and suggestions. Until next time, stay tuned for more AI videos.